Hi everyone, welcome back to Solid Motors. Jay with you here. Today I have a great fifth wheel to show you. I'm really excited to show it to you. It's got some unique features. Today we've got a 2010 Forest River Cedar Creek. It is a 36 RD5S, and we're going to walk you through the outside with it closed up. Then we'll open it up and show you the inside. So let's get to it.
All right, here we are with the Cedar Creek. This is a large fifth wheel. We have 5 slides on it. I'm going to take you around the outside here and we'll open it up. I'm going to show you what we've got. This is the 10th anniversary edition of the 36 RD5S. Some really unique features here. First of all, we've got 5 slides. Show you the wheels. The wheels are in great shape. Nice alloy wheels. We've got the good tread on the tires there. So it's in great shape. Body's in fantastic shape. Got the decals here. Got the awning. Got covers on the slides. We have 5 slides on this guy. Loading lights right here. The front. Side here. We've got another 3 slides on this side. Got outdoor entertainment. Here's the first unique feature. You've got doors on both sides, so we've got pass-through entrance, which is very unique and very convenient. As you can see, the body's in great shape. You've got roof access right here. Here we've got the Cedar Creek opened up. I'll walk you on the outside, show you the compartments on the outside. Start right here. So, first of all, power awning. Nice big awning for some outdoor space. Got the big pass-through storage right here. Central back system. Entertainment right there. 2 tanks. So here you got the bedroom slide. A lot of storage up front here. Battery right there. So this is battery access. Here's your other bedroom slide. That's actually the closet area. Here are your controls. Now these are tension slides. So one button takes them all out, except for the front one that's got its own switch here. But you can isolate all of those slides right here and take them in or out. And then also your landing gear right there. And you've got all your water hookups here. Got the auxiliary shower. And on this side, you've got a walk-through entrance on this side, which is fantastic. Very convenient on the driver's side, so you can actually pass right through. You got a slide here for the kitchen and the dining room. And then this guy is the rear entertainment slide on this side. You have an opposing slide on this side. And I'll show you that. Also, another unique feature is the basically it's a den in the back of a full room. And we'll get to that here in a second. But that is the outside opened up. So next we'll be taking a look inside. All right, we're ready to get inside here. Again, this is a 36 RD5S. So we're coming in on the passenger side. And the reason I say that is because there is a driver's side entrance, which is very nice. It's a unique feature. You walk right into the kitchen and dining room area here. Very spacious. High ceilings, ceiling fan there, and in the back here is the unique rear den, which I had alluded to earlier. So let's start back here. Got a ton of space here, opposing slides, ceiling fan, entertainment center, fireplace, Got 2 recliners on the one slide out. Got a sofa that folds out into a bed. The other side, lots of storage. Actually, display cases on the side, and of course the fireplace with the DVD player. Surround sound. Got speakers above, speakers up top, and speakers in the back, as well as a ducted cooling system. Also back here, you can see you've got the slat shades, which are nice, and then built in here you've got day and night shades. So day, night, that can retract, so you can have it open into the kitchen area, or you can close it off. Here you've got your control panel. So this is our ceiling fan here, and then you've got your slides, you've got your awning, you've got lights, tanks. Now we've got our dining area over here, 4 chairs, expandable table. This is the wine rack back here. Like I said, this is the 10th anniversary edition. Get it on the clock there. Nice cozy little dining area there. More storage over here. Big kitchen, corner sink, double, retractable faucet here. Got lots of overhead cabinets, really deep cabinets. Got the microwave, stove oven combination, fridge, freezer combo, freezer, refrigerator. Great thermostat over here. Ceiling fan again. And here's your other entrance from the driver's side. Bottom of the steps here, we've got the central vac system. Again, the interior here, this is a 2010 spotless interior. Carpet's in great shape. Chairs are in great shape. Cabinets in great shape. Again, I'll give you a close-up of the carpet back here. Like I said, upholstery, spotless, just really well taken care of. Let's move up to the bathroom. So we have the sink, got the medicine cabinet, got the toilet on the right here, and then a corner shower. There's lots of space in there. Got the skylight. Corner, got linen closet. Deceptively deep there. So lots of storage for the towels and toiletries, all of that. So there's the bathroom. We're gonna go back out here, and then the master. So up here we also have 2 slides. One slide for the bed. See all the ironwork there. Queen bed. You do have your own AC unit back here, or up here. Have the entertainment. Lots and lots of storage. You can see I got the drawers out there. Nice metal runners. TV. York plumb for washer dryer in here. Then there's more closet space there. Nice comfortable bed. You got the reading lights and everything in there. So that is our 2010 Forest River Cedar Creek. This is a beautiful trailer. Great space. Laid out really well. Unique features. 2 doors. Got the den in the back. If you guys have any questions about this trailer, please give us a call at Souder Motors. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you guys have a great day.